Hi there. Today I'm going to introduce you to NFT templates. So these are really useful when you want to, for instance, integrate NFTs into a business application or to a game, specifically a Web3 game. But there's also all kinds of uses. For this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you the sort of a game example. So let me call this my product collection. And Um, so what a template allows me to do is to set up metadata and associate that with a template ID. So now instead of having to create the whole metadata again to mint the an NFT, you can just mint the template. This is great to synchronize with product collections, with different types of game items, and the like. So let's show you how we could create this space portal sword, and we're going to give it a description. The mightiest sword in the game. And if I wanted to then have this link to, for instance, the image of this NFT and its data on our own website, we put an external URL. More often, it's going to be something like a product code that you want to associate it with. So why don't we call that PD ID 1234? And we're going to go ahead and we're going to edit the attributes. So let's call it color blue, attack 100, and let's say magic 1000. So now I can create this as a draft. So now this is very useful if you're kind of working through your catalog. Different team members want to come and make suggestions on what how these NFT templates should look, what their attributes should be. And you can actually clone a template using draft from, and go ahead and build a whole set in here. You can export this. You can also import templates. There's a lot of different ways you can do this. But at the end of the day, let's say you wanted to actually deploy this template, you can just create live, and it will create this. And right away, you see I've got my metadata URL. So I can go back and I have this, but you don't need to know that. You just need to know the template and integrate that template minting directly into whether it's your game or your business application. Um, and indeed, if you build some more advanced workflows using our Zapier integration, there's some very interesting use case that templates unlock. Thank you very much.